Aloha and Happy New Year. I hope you all had a good one. This video is about some follow-up issues. I had one major challenge after I put my Victor Racing wing on. I couldn't get to my beer in my fridge. So I got this beverage cooler, and then I couldn't find shelving pre-made that was 5-tier and 20 inches by 20 inches. So I just made one out of aluminum and 1/2-inch plywood, which I stained to match the walls and trim in my garage. This high wing spoiler is getting painted carbon flash tomorrow. I built the jig yesterday. Needed to do some work on it, but I got a setback. Now, I love my Porter Cable 10-inch folding miter saw, even though I can never remember how to fold it. Anyway, a couple days ago, I was cutting some angle aluminum, and I got serious kickback and almost broke 2 of my fingers. Anyway, I discovered what the problem was. It was this fence was broken and crooked. That will cause kickback. Well, I went online and that part is discontinued. So I took some angle aluminum today and I made my own fence. I made a semicircular out of flat aluminum and bolted it in. So now I don't have to buy a new miter saw. This one will work just fine. Anyway, that was basically the updates. Aloha and stay safe.